Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode in Ghost Recon Breakpoint. To begin your adventure, simply navigate to the main menu and select Campaign. You'll then choose your desired difficulty, from easy to extreme, tailoring the challenge. Next, customize your ghost, selecting from hundreds of gear pieces and appearance options. Once satisfied, confirm your selections to deploy into the vast open world of Oroa, ready for action. Once deployed, your primary goal is to complete missions. Open your TAC map, accessible via the touchpad on PlayStation or view button on Xbox, to see all available main and side missions. Main missions are crucial for progressing the core story, while side missions provide extra content, valuable gear, and experience points. Always keep an eye on your objective markers, which will guide you directly to your next mission area, ensuring you stay on track. Combat and exploration are key elements of the story mode. Employ stealth whenever possible to gain a tactical advantage, using cover and suppressing enemies. When direct engagement is necessary, utilize your extensive arsenal of over 50 weapons and numerous gadgets. Explore the vast island of Oroa, spanning over 200 square kilometers, to discover hidden caches, resources, and valuable intel. Complete daily faction missions for extra rewards and reputation. As you progress, you'll earn experience points, allowing you to level up your ghost and unlock over 100 unique skills in the skill tree. Continuously acquire new and improved weapons and gear, each with distinct stats and perks, to enhance your combat effectiveness. Completing the main story arc will reveal the full narrative of Oroa and its mysteries. Even after the story concludes, many challenges and areas remain to explore, offering dozens of hours of additional gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.